Well, we just unlocked. See, we're level 16 now. So, well, get to try a fucking coin. Man, I so badly wish I was able. I need to as soon as possible. I'll have to or level ups and lure making so I can well, for example, so I can make my homemade lures. Like for example, I they caught a trophy KUORI char with one of those handmade balsa minnows 75F006. So, alright. I think I can afford the nope. I didn't think so. Just had enough to come over here after bought some. I bought a couple rods. So, now. I know what we do. Where's those ones? They should be here and here. Okay, now, oops. What's on here? I'll take it off too. Leave it on because we'll do burbot fishing nighttime. Oops, wrong one. There we go. So, got two. Alright. Oops. I did grab those in. Oops. I thought I grabbed the wrong blue ones. Forgot I had those. Try again. There they are. Now. Well, let's see. We got two reels. Fuck it. Throw that one on. Just looking. That's I'm just looking, but man. Yeah, if I could throw in on, I guess. I was able to unlock when I was leveling this up, playing around on winding. I did at least get high enough level to unlock spoons. So, of course, one. What are you on? Push through this in the boat. I'm assuming. So, probably another spoon because we don't have the others. Well, I'd throw an orange on. Okay. I can't remember. I sent some of mine. But I sent them. I would have had no money. Alright. So, I don't even have money, but I mean, I know the lake. So, I won't build it until we get some money to buy the fucking map, but no big deal. Okay, now, there we go, just up a little. debating on which side to put throw 6 on. Throw 6 on this side. And damn, too loud. Hurt my ears. Okay. You don't want to cast. Oh yeah, very far. And you also want to make sure you lock the reel. But so, because that's all you need. Just barely a little. That far is all you need to make them the lures work. I figured that out a long time ago. Because also, the longer you throw it, and if you do hook one, especially, and then that takes longer for you to always go this way. Oops. God damn. Wrong button. Go this way. I was going the wrong way anyways. So, and then, especially, and then if you're in a tournament, especially when we used to always do tournament, the longer it gets out, even if not, and you're just trying to grind for money, the longer them fucking, or lures is out, the longer then it takes you to land a fish. And then if you're in a tournament, the longer it takes, the quicker you can land that, because you don't need that extra any more than just enough, just barely to throw it in. Because any more than it's a waste. Because then you got to fight the fish. Because then you're losing millions upon millions of dollars per year on lost income, or if you're tournament, of course. The quicker you can land the fish, and then you're going to win the tournament. Back in the days, we used to do, when the game was good, and they used to do a tournament every 2 hours, but now they fucking said, fuck you people, we don't give a fuck. Hey look, now was it on 6 or 7? Got a 20. And then don't want to stop, you always want to keep, well of course, hey, see my first, see, boom. But really loud. That's 6 and guess so just can't, yeah, where we're getting ready. Ooh, 6 again. Yep. You always want to keep going. The only time I never stand up. Now if you're always just troll. The only time you also want to try to cast up in time. That helps too. Well, I think especially those holes like where I was trying to in between us. Oh, there was a 10-foot hole, and then right here behind between the bank and the bank, of course. We had a 15-foot hole. We're gonna try to go through the 15. And then we'll swing down. Is there something on that, I think? Let's check. Yep. So. See. Just a little bit. See? And then quicker. But anyways. The quicker you can land it, get it in. So, I always see people, when I'm watching people stream, they max cast. Now, the only time you max cast, and now if you're anchored up, like for example, you're trying, for example, trying to catch, spin fish, and then you'll anchor the boat, and then you max cast. Or even on on here, there used to be a spot. You used to be able to actually even cast over there off the dock pier and cast out wherever that pier, and then cast towards that 10-foot hole, 10 meter hole. There used to be a spot actually you catch chub, but you max cast on it. There's times max cast, but not one troll. You want. So we'll get return So I'm just farting around. First time on, well, of course, see, I'm at level 16. My new account. Since I can't play on my other one. As of right now I can. So, but yeah, a lot of times people will go just around this map. Or sorry, this island. That's how a lot of people. Some people will do it. I don't. Sometimes I'll change it up. Sometimes people will do it backwards. Or I do. Well, so I go up here, which and then which you can't really show. But once you keep going over here, I hit the 10-meter hole, and down to it, I'll swing around, and then and then you see, you want to keep going. Oops. Forgot to cast that in front. A lot of times when it falls, when you cast in front, and I've caught fish when it falling. So, but since I don't have the map on it yet, well, whenever we're done fucking around here, when I run over there, I'll sell enough. Before I won't sell my 150, 100. I'll just sell enough to get her by the map. Get that, $6, and then but once we should be getting close. You should start seeing, be getting like really close. Start seeing the bank. You're gonna start turning here in a second. So since I can't, it should be somewhere over here. Should be the wrong button. Oops, hit the wrong button. So accidentally hit the stop button. Oops. Well, I hacked on. That's why I was like, why now? You ain't trolling. Alright, let's just see. We're just farting around, see what we got. I need so badly got to, unless somebody's rich and have extra of those bosses. 45. The handmaids of balsa minnows 75F006 or one or two of those. I insanely love those because now I'd love to try one. So I keep seeing, I was just seeing since I started this count, these handmaids are crushing. So I mean, I just like to see, but because I definitely going to have to, won't be able to level up right away until point level 16. Got other stuff I have to buy or save up for. That's on it. So, but once we get 3 more rods, and then so I can bream fish and that kind of stuff. Then save up for 3 carp rods. Then, because then I have, or I had had over on my son's account, or technically alphas, but these are level 20s, and then also I'd saved because I would send it over. I just sent all that stuff over. See, it's kind of, if it were raining, of course, really good. I don't even know when it is next. Hey, tomorrow. One day it's raining. I mean, which I'll be grinding here unless I get to level 20. Then go there and buy some stuff, and then of course you don't want to buy nothing here this month, or like it is anything expensive. And then when you get to level 20, Volcrum, that right there is always in stock. I've never seen it not in stock. So I just always, or Volcrum, the level 24 map. Sir, the I have to bring for it. 5 o'clock somewhere. It's always in stock too. I've never seen it not in stock. So Let's just back to fishing. Getting ready to turn. A lot of times I'll be fishing. I'll forget to. I run into that. I don't know how many times. Hard to drive and drink. That's kind of one good thing about Volcom and easier to drive and drink. You can be a shit-faced drunk and drive on there. It's so big. That level, that level 27 now. That thing was. Can't wait to try it. That'll have like a lot of fun. So, see, I'm assuming somewhere near about 15 meter. We should go around over it somewhere. Out. Kind of pretty slow. Only 2 marker, but 4. Hey, good fishing. Got another tiny guy. Might be a perch or 2. Nope, well, at least it was a marker. All right. Alright, definitely turn now. Definitely passive island enough. Now we'll turn, start heading back up towards that 10 meter. Oh, I thought I had fish on, but I seen line. I usually go over there. There or right in there or something. Alright, took me, alright. Yeah, they need to get bigger. Yeah. Definitely. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hopefully at nighttime. Usually about 20, and then I fish till about burbot fish till about 6 in the morning, 6 or 7 in the morning. Now if I'm have a fish, actually catching 15 might till 7. But. So we'll troll until 20, and then I run over. I'll probably fish off that pier, cast out towards a couple places I'd like to cast. We'll test that spot first. If nothing, then we'll move to the next spot, and then so on until we try all. There's 4 spots, not even counting Allen. Well, I guess so. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, yeah, 4. I guess, yeah, counting Allen. He's supposed to even stand. There's a spot right up here. Cast over out here toward off the bank out till towards that 8 meter hole. Catch a burbot too. And that was like insanely long time. I don't know. I'd have to try it, but usually you run off the pier, or I mean off the dock, and then camp. Usually about the best 2 places, and then off the of course off the island. There's some places they'll light. So here, start turning. See bottom, so we definitely turning. We'll be running out of land anyways. So definitely slow. Probably would have been better till tomorrow, but my first time over here. This is that video. Hopefully. And then I'll still be trolling or lots because. So. All right. Alright. Hmm. Oh yeah, keep forgetting. It's a habit to pull up and get the M. Pull up the map. Yeah. You know what? Try something. Wait. Oops. Wrong button. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ, I just pulled the fucking stupid. I forgot to lock it. Or lock real. That's what you don't want to do. I said 5 o'clock somewhere. I was going to change lures. Glad I fucking was over here. See, because then if you're max gas, and then you got to do the same thing. And then you probably got hooked right 5 miles away. So, let's see, same principle. Unnecessary. God damn it. Jesus Christ. If that's real. 3 days later. God damn. See, that's even maxed. Alright. Let's try to change up. Fuck it. Try to hit. That thing, when that thing come out. This thing. I see. Got about. Oh, we did it again. I just ran into fucking. Oops, goddamn, let's see. I told you, 5 o'clock. That's why I do it all the time. I don't even. Oops. Thought I was hitting J. There we go. Now! I always do that. Always in the same spot. Always right there off that point. No. Watching. So. What are we at? Spin fishing. And gotta be what? 30, ain't it? Or. Yeah. Bait casting. Wobbler. 35 for wobblers. Yeah, won't be that long. Still on a little bit. Happy hour, when I kick happy hour on here later. It's 6, well, it's almost 6:40, so. Good drink. So. Yeah. Yeah, that lure I just put on. That thing was crazy. It was insanely OE when it first come out because it was nothing. I caught the fudge out of. Oops. God damn it, did it get that wrong button? I suck with keyboard. I never learned to type, so I always hit the wrong button. Because also part of the key is under, well, you know where I can't see. So. 7, I think. Yep. Here's what we got here. Hit that orange. Arctic. Hey, hi Arctic. First Arctic. Damn a while. Alright, now. Yeah. I'll probably sell. I keep yeah, even when it rains. Now, the only time I probably won't, because I probably won't post anything on the weekend. I'll be playing other games. I'll still log in just to do my daily, but I'm going to be doing some hunting so I can catch for next week's hunting videos. So, but now if I do my hourly and I get a trophy or something like that, but I'll still do. So, yeah, like definitely. Definitely should be enough. I didn't even check or look at the cafes. I might look here in a little bit. Well, when I go to the bank, start burbot fishing. Now, I will. I guess also. I guess Saturday. I'd actually, if I get a trophy burbot or something like that, and active spot, then I'll upload that on Saturday. But most likely not. Looking. Don't think I'll have anything for the weekend. Not planning on it. I just plan on doing 5 days a week. If I do, I might save it till Monday or something. Because my internet sucks. Got fish on that. Where I'm at the moment. So, that's my fiber. So, and sometimes I'll actually go over to that other island. Over there and drive around and make big loop. Changing it up, that kind of stuff. You can catch some stuff at nighttime, but I know people, they've caught trophies or lake trouts at nighttime, but it's insanely, you very rarely catch anything. The only thing you usually catch, like that, those, these. You can make more money or catching burbot at nighttime than you do trolling, so it's a shitload more. So, just right there, throwing a should be 6. Yep. So, speaking of lake trout, he wanted to be on her. So, not very good, but considering the lures I'm using, I've had that those others, probably different. Even without now next day it's supposed to be rainy. Now hopefully we do really good then. Not sure. I mean, I'll still record because in case I was record, but just in case you come across something good. Yeah. Ooh, we might have enough time. 1800. So. Oops. Thought so. We might have enough time to try, or Because you also that time for chars or KUORI, yeah, KUORI, not KUORI chars, but chars was 1800. That's a lot of time. People anchor up, spinfish, or like they used to catch them off right off that island, casting over. I don't remember which way. That's so, because that was an insanely long time ago. I don't know if they still catch them off that end or not. Because it used to be you could catch them even at 10-meter hole, anchor up and get in the boat and go over there. Anchor just and cast right there and into the or if cast if you cast for enough off from the pier off to that point. So it's 19. Yeah, we might have enough time to do another pass around. That should be 6. Yep. Might. We'll see. Yeah, because if we do, so then they'll, unless I, fighting the fish or something, chasing it down with those little reels, then, of course, then, yeah, I will just do one more pass. Trying to get lucky, trying to get some. It's only night, or because usually I usually try to start heading in at 20. So that 10-meter hole is in front of me somewhere. 8-meter hole's over that direction. Should be over that direction. I ain't had that much strength. God, I miss not gonna pull it up to show what I'm. Well, I mean, 100%. Always make sure pull it up. Make sure I'm going right across or right through it. That hole. Yeah, it's only 19. Definitely some time to do one more pass, and then we'll end or drive over to that pier and get out. I'll grab the rods because I have to steal the reels off them, put them back on my other all those, so we can do some burbot fishing. We'll probably out like that right there. Hey, 6, I think. Yep. And also, if you get too close to that bank, pikes. I always catch pikes. I don't like pikes because they get my lure. I don't think I have a heavy enough leader on or nothing for them. So, oh yeah. So. Yeah. So 28 kilogram, fluorocarbon. I threw that on there. So I was just trying to hopefully just trying to hopefully they don't bite it off too much. But we haven't caught nothing yet, but kind of weird. Usually I've gotten one by now. Yeah, see. It's just now 20, so would definitely. Sometimes hell, I've gotten. I'll be heading to, trolling over to the spot that I'm going to be bourbon fishing. Hook a monster or something big enough I can't land quick enough, so I don't get to actually do that. But see, right there. See, he won't be on the video. Hopefully. I thought he was going to be bigger for a second. Maybe fish on that one. That was what I thought that was. He was really thinking. See, definitely glad we made an extra pass. Arctic. Oops. Didn't cast where I wanted to. Oh well. That's good enough. So, definitely it's going to be too dark. I mean, not that. Not that, it's just I'm wanting to make money. And XP and money and also just to see if they're still here, because I haven't played forever. So, I don't even know if bourbon are biting, especially after the research. So, unless we're fighting one, we're over there, and I'm not showing that. I'll end the video as soon as we make it over to the dock. So, and then because then I'll run up, set all my stuff out, or set it up pretty quick. One rod, this one, it's already, and also there I'd never do a flip. I know where to cast at least one. I was level 20, and then I could throw my alphas on there, or my other one. Oh, I mean alphas on these, and then use these little guys and throw them on those other ones. So I'd have all three. Would have everything. So see, you could almost probably now you could almost get one more pass, but it's 22 and already, so sun will be going down too. See, there goes sun. We need to be definitely by this time by 22. See, fish right there. I'm not going to recast. I should be 6, or I mean, sorry, 7. So got fish on there. Lure was bigger than that. So definitely, because we already had to. So, now, thanks for watching, everybody. See, now run up here. I'll sell some stuff and throw some stuff out, and then swap stuff back. Thanks for watching.